What debts are dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? If you're considering filing for bankruptcy, you may be wondering what debts will be discharged when you file for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. My name is Chirnese Liverpool, and I'm with the law offices of Chirnese L, Liverpool. We are a boutique law firm that provides affordable premium legal services, and today I'd like to discuss with you some debts that will be dischargeable if you decide to file for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The first thing that's going to be dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is medical bills. If you have any medical bills, like your insurance is not paying or whatever, those will be dischargeable in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Credit card debt is going to be dischargeable in the bankruptcy. So there are a few exceptions to this rule. Anything that you charge on your credit card from 0 to 3 months before you file for bankruptcy is going to be considered to be non-dischargeable, as if it was fraud. The reasoning behind that is like you knew you were going to file for bankruptcy, and so you went and bought some stuff on your credit card. And that may not be your actual situation, but it's just the public policy behind it. So anything charged from 0 to 3 months before they file for bankruptcy is going to be considered to be non-dischargeable. Anything that you charge from 3 to 6 months before you file for bankruptcy may be dischargeable or may not be dischargeable, depending on whether it was a necessity or whether it was a luxury. So if it was a necessity like gas, groceries, those kinds of things, those will be dischargeable. If it was a luxurious item worth more than $725 that you have charged, then that's going to be considered to be non-dischargeable. So if you knew you were going to file for bankruptcy and you say, hey, come on, girls, let's go to St. Lucia. It's going to be on me. I'm fitting the bill. That's going to be non-dischargeable. That's a luxury, non-dischargeable. So if you have a lawsuit or a judgment against you, that would be dischargeable in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy as well. Now, whether they put a lien on you after they get this judgment, that may or may not be dischargeable. You'll want to speak with your attorney regarding your personal situation to see if you can get that lien removed. Most debts arising from a car accident will be dischargeable. So if you got into a car accident and you didn't have any insurance and now they're coming after you to pay for any damage, that will be dischargeable. The exception to that rule is if you were intoxicated or driving under the influence, that's not going to be dischargeable. So that's the rule for car accidents, debts related issues. All right. Personal loans and payday loans, those will be dischargeable as well. You don't want to take out any cash advances of more than $1,000 at least 70 days before your bankruptcy. You need to wait more than that. If it's 70 days or less before you file your bankruptcy and you've taken out a cash advance of $1,000 or more, that's going to be non-dischargeable. So make sure that you aren't doing that. EDD overpayments. Those are kind of a different situation. Not a lot of people have that situation. But if for some reason EDD does overpay you, that will be dischargeable in the bankruptcy. Any other debt that's considered to be not non-dischargeable will be dischargeable in the bankruptcy. Now, this video is only for entertainment purposes and should not be taken as legal advice. You definitely want to speak with an attorney regarding your personal situation. I am licensed in California and in Nevada and can help citizens throughout the states of California and Nevada with filing for bankruptcy. So if you're interested in that, I do provide a free telephonic consultation for you. I also am going to put a link down below to a freebie that I'm going to give you a PDF of 5 ways to stop bill collectors from calling. So if you want that, you can check down below for the link for that. Like I said, not legal advice, but if you want a free telephone consultation, you're more than welcome to reach out to me and we can get that scheduled for you. I will put my contact information down below. I thank you for watching this video. If you like the content that I'm providing, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I am trying to grow my channel, so any like and subscribe would greatly help me. So I thank you so much for that. Thanks for visiting today and have a great one.